Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional WordPress website for your medical services, then here you can see this is the best option for you. So if you are a doctor, you can create a professional website within couple of clicks. Here you can see this website is built with Divi WordPress theme. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name. And the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down. Here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. So you can get here Divi theme. If you don't have this, just you can message me, I will provide you this theme. After that here you can see it has a great professional layout. So let's see how we can get this website. I have installed WordPress in my website. We need to go in dashboard, and after that just we can install Divi theme. Here you can see in the theme section I have installed Astra theme. Now I can upload here Divi WordPress theme. here you can see, and I have downloaded Divi WordPress theme. Let me show you. Here you can see this is the file. Make sure that the file is in zip format. So just click on install button and it will take some time to upload. So just we can wait for a few seconds. After that it will be installed. Then we will be able to perform editing, and next we will create some pages. So let's see how it works. So now you can see the theme has been installed. Now just we need to activate it. So just click here on the activate button. After that we need to create some pages. Here you can see in the pages. So currently we have 4 pages. Now I can create one more page. So I can name it. After that here you can see I need to select page layout. So make sure that just you can select this one, no sidebar. After that click here publish. Now we have installed Divi theme, but we need to activate. Just to go to theme options. After that you can go here updates. So now you can add your username and API key. So let's see, I can add here username and for the API key just I can copy it and add here. After that click on save changes. So now we can go in the pages. Here you can see I have created this page now. So just click on edit. After that here you can see use the Divi builder. Just click here. After that click here on the front end. Here you can see so now we have 3 options. Build from scratch. Here you can create your own custom design. After that we have 2 more options. Just we can select a pre-made layout as well as we can clone. So now you can see these are all the layouts related to doctor's business. Just you can scroll down and select any of these. For example, I can select here this one, doctor's office homepage. Select this one and after that click here, use this layout. So now you can see the layout is loading. Once it will complete 100%, then you will get this layout added in your WordPress website. In this way you can create more and more pages and add layouts according to your requirement. So here you can see. So this is done. Just we can save it. Just click on the save button. So here you can see we have saved this layout. After that, if you want to add logo here, just you can go to dashboard. Scroll down, here you can see Divi theme options. Now you can add your own logo here. Here you can see upload. After that you can select any of the image. For example, I can select this one. scroll down and click here save changes. Now refresh the home page. Here you can see the page we have created is not showing. So how we can fix out that? Go to settings and readings. Now you can select static page from here. Select home. After that click on save changes. So let's refresh the page and here you can see how it looks. So it looks very professional. After that you can go to menu. Here you can see, just go to menu page. After that now you can create a menu. Just we can give a name primary. After that here I can select it, then create menu. After that here you can see on the left side all the pages, and also you can add blog posts and many more. So just click view all. After that you can select any of the pages and add to menu. The next you can sort out your menu. Here you can see how this is easy to use, drag and drop functionality. After that click save menu. Let's refresh the page. So here you can see this is the menu that we have created. Now if you want to remove this one, just go to theme customizer. After that here you can see the customizer is loading. On the left side you have options. Just go to header and navigation. So here you can design your primary menu. Just you can add a background color, text style and many more. If you want to remove this search bar, just go to header elements. Here you can see. After that just you can uncheck this one and click publish. So now refresh the page. Here you can see the search bar has been removed. In this way you can create your own WordPress website and save your thousands of dollars that you can pay to developers.